This is his new way of eating snacks. No need for hands. You just lean forward and eat it like a dog. So funny. He started doing this at church yesterday. Isaac, what are you doing? Are you eating? There you go. There's the civilized way. Yeah. Hi. What's up there? Hi. Yep. That's a fan. Yeah. Way up there. Yep. Isaac, can you say hello to everybody? Hello. Hello. Is that your puzzle? Yeah. Yep, that's your puzzle. I love this puzzle. That's one I played with when I was a kid. Yeah. You play with that all day long, huh? Yeah. Okay, Isaac. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Till next time.